Hello, friends. Astrologer Mohnish here, and thank you for being part of this wonderful journey. In this video, I'm going to show you how we trade cryptocurrencies on daily basis using 5 minutes chart. Okay, 5 minutes is scalping, quick in and quick out, and I'm going to show you how we are doing it every day. And if you're new to this channel, again, all you need to do is go to our site, astrologer.com VIP indicator. You see that menu here. Click on the join button, and these are some videos you can watch how we are using our VIP indicators. And once you join our platinum membership using this button on our YouTube channel, all you need to do is send us your email and your Traders View profile ID via WhatsApp or via email. Okay, here's the email address. You can see that. Once you give us your Traders View profile ID, we will give you the access to our two VIP indicators, which are based on machine learning, artificial intelligence. They will 100% make you very, very strong and successful trader. To use this VIP trader, you have to understand the predictions what we made every week. So let's say we made a prediction about cryptocurrencies, that cryptocurrencies will be range bound. And you see that we are saying that there will be range bound between 65 and 58. And this is our predictions, 58 to 65. And this is what's happening. Now, before you jump into using this indicator, especially if you're a new trader, you have to understand trading is a science and trading is an art. Science perspective or anything related to the scientific measures, we are taking care for you. We're giving you the predictions based on the what is the sentiments in the market as per the astrology, the cycle of moon, and also giving you the technical indicators, which are giving you the buy and sell signals. Now, people get confused sometimes, especially if you're a new trader. In 1 hour chart, what we should do, 5 minutes chart, we should do, 1 day chart, what we should be doing. And that's so much of confusion you bring in your head. And this is what called is analysis by paralysis. I've seen many traders having like 20 screens in front of them, typing here, typing there, one mouse here, one hand there. They're so stressed. And they ultimately do not make even a single dollar in the markets. The reason is they make things overly complex. They think that using 20 indicators, 20 news channels, 20 different monitors will make them a good trader. No, it won't. It will literally add so much of garbage in your head, so much of information at such a high rate, high pace, that you will have analysis by paralysis. That's the reason we have made things very easy for you. Number one thing in the trading is understanding where the trends are on a daily basis chart. Whenever you come every morning, let's say this is a SPY, S&P 500, open the daily chart and very easily you can see the trends are bullish. And also our indicator is showing that whenever you see this blue line crossing and turning green, this means the trends are bullish. Here you see it retest a little bit and then again it's bullish. On the daily charts, first thing is you need to learn what are the trends. What are the trends? Up or down or sideways. Okay, so or sideways. We normally trade when the trends are either bullish, up or down. Let's see more examples here. So if you see NASDAQ, you see NASDAQ here, and literally now guess where the trends are. Okay, you see the green line is crossing the blue line. The trends are again bullish here. On the daily chart, we know the trends are bullish. Okay, let's see more examples here. I'm going to show you, I want to make sure that you understand the whole concept. Let's look at gold, GLD. Higher highs, the candles are making higher highs. And I know many people cannot read the candlestick charts. So again, this line from red turning blue, green, crossing the blue line and going upwards. The upwards line crossing this blue line, turning into green is again a bullish sign. So daily chart is showing bullish. Let's take more examples. Let's look at a USD oil. And you see in here, oil have changed multiple times. So here it is bearish. The red line crosses the blue line. This is bearish. And then it's a sideways, all bearish, bearish. And now it's moving upwards. It's now from the sideways trends, the bearish trends. This is bearish trends. Then move sideways. And now it's slowly moving upwards. The moment this line crosses this line, it is a bullish trends again. Okay, now first learn this. I'm going to open more examples here. Let's see some more stocks here. Let's see the stock Um, let's see Shopify. You see very clearly bullish trends, green line going upwards. On the daily chart, first mark it out whether the trends are bullish or bearish. Let's say MDT, again, very strong bullish. You see that? Higher highs, all candles, and you see the line crossing this line. Now, once you set up this trend in your head that the trends in the daily chart is bullish, then what you need to do is, even if you go for a lower time span chart, let's say 1 hour, you should play the bullish game only, because you know on the bigger time frame the trends are upwards. The movement you see in 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, 5 minutes chart, 1 minute chart, the bullish sign comes in, you should go for that, because the risk is very, very low here. Reason is, when the daily candles are showing bullish chart, that means people are buying this stock, okay, on the larger time frame. Majority is buying it. On the smaller time frame, even if it is a bearish, let's say from here, it comes bearish down here, but you will see sooner people will start jumping in when the pullback happens. There are more people waiting here to buy this stock. And what they're doing is they're just waiting for the stock to retrace a little bit so that they can buy at the discounted rate. So that means the bullish stock, when you play the bullish game on a lower time scale, 1 minute, 4 hours, 5 minutes, your winning chances are more. You won't be surprised. Otherwise, what happens is, if you're playing the bearish game here, you're short the stock, you will see that many people will be buying this stock at the discounted price, and the trend reversal will happen, and that means you will see that in the bearish mode you're not making that much of money, or your trades can hit the stop losses. Let's say, for example, if we see the MDT, or let's say in the 5 minutes chart, I will always play the bullish game as long as I know in the daily chart these trends are bullish. You see that? I will not play this game. I will not play this game. I will play this game. And you see, in 5 minutes chart, the bullish are long, bearish are very small. You see that? Bearish are very small. Because the reason is, on the longer time span chart, the markets are bullish. Okay. So this is, you need to understand, this is very solid foundation. Practice is what you need to do when you are trading. Let's say I go back to QQQ. This is NASDAQ index. It follows NASDAQ. You see the trends are pretty much bullish. Okay. So this is what I will determine first, that the trends are bullish on the daily chart. So this is 5 minutes. Let me go back to daily. So first I will gauge every day that where the trends are. Trends are bullish. So I should just play a bullish game. That's all. Period. No more ups and downs. No more analysis by paralysis. Now, how I play this bullish game? I can go to 5 minutes chart. If I'm a very good trader, you see that? I will play this game till here. 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 This is a shorter game, but I will play the bigger games like this to here. Okay. Oh, this one is also very good. It will still give you, in 5 minutes, in 5 minutes candle, you stick to 3 or 4 candles maximum, and you hit your target, or you get out when this line is dropping down. Okay. So you use these indicators together. Similarly, let's say if you are playing the game of NVIDIA, you see NVIDIA turned very bullish. In 1 day chart, first I will determine it's bullish or bearish. I know it's bullish. Okay, right now, see this line is crossing this line, bullish. The candles are going upwards. This is also going upwards, bullish on the daily chart. Tomorrow, Monday or Tuesday, whenever the market opens, if I'm going to play 1 hour chart, I will just look for the bullish signs. Okay. Now let's see, it's calculating the bullish sign. We already have it here. Now you will ask me that, okay, it's saying buy, but shall I enter at this price now? I will say no. You see, until this line is dropping down, that means retracement is happening. When this indicator now shows green, then you jump into the trade, and then stay bullish till the sign is bullish or it hits a profit taking. So use both the indicators together. This will give you the entry, and this will tell you when to exit when the market is dropping downwards. For instance, if I would have entered this line and I did the trades when on 1 hour candle, when this happens, I was trading it. Okay, so we entered, we looked at this sign, green, we were ready. Then we entered our position here, And then we continued going up, even though it hit our take profit zone here, take profit here. We entered it here, but we didn't stop. I was keep looking at this candle, this particular line. When this line came and hit this particular mark somewhere here, this is where we exit. Okay. And then what happened is this line retraces. We booked our profit here. And then there's a green sign here again. Now, if you want, you could have jump again in this line. Okay. Or when the sign says buy again. Normally, you will see that once the take profit zone hits, our signal goes back to the waiting and it's look for the bigger wave again. So the next bigger wave actually came right here, which was very convincing wave that this is a big wave. Go for it. And from here, in 1 hour candle, if you enter this state, you're still making lots of profits. So again, watch some videos which I presented or posted before that how you use both these indicators together. You can set up some alerts here also. Here's the alert. If you click on this alert and then say, whenever this signal shows us on the NVIDIA 1 hour candlestick chart, long, click on once a bar, and then you can put your alert name here and then create an alert. Okay. So what will happen is if you're using your iPhone or your mobile phone or your Apple watches, you will get those alerts in your watch. Okay. And this is a very good way of, trading if you're not always sitting in front of your desk. You can go back to your alerts and you can even see those alerts or you can cancel it, right? So you can see there's a lot of setting here you can do. So very easy. You can set up alerts and the alerts will always remind you when to trade and when the signals are shown by our trading indicator as bullish or bearish. So there are many ways, and you can see in here, this is your alert. If you want to delete this alert, you can just press it and remove it. Okay, easy. And then also what I do is normally I keep my profit taking zone. If you go to the settings, I normally keep ATR, the profit zone, to 1.0 in the volatile market. I don't want to be over looking for the profits. You see that this bar will squeeze down. Here it is. See that? So from here, I will hit here and I will exit the trade. So this is my profit, taking zone, which is equivalent to 1.5 of the at true range ratio. So instead of 1.5, we keep it 1 point. Instead of 1.5, keep it 1.0. You can play with it, whatever the zone works best for you. But ultimately, what you do is you look at enter here and then exit when this momentum is drying down, which your oscillator, this particular indicator will show you. And similarly for the Bitcoins, if you saw, I predicted on 12th of October that take the profits where the Bitcoin is right now. Even on the 30th of September, I predicted take profits of Bitcoin when it hit the 66K. So I predicted already astrologically that Bitcoins will remain in the range from 66 to 58. And this is what's happening at round. And you see this is the daily chart and signal is sell. On the daily chart, you know that the momentum is bearish. The moment this line crosses this line, you see both the lines are downward falling. So bearish momentum is already there. Even though we know Bitcoins are trending on a very, I would say the range bound, and very choppy trade, like going up and down, up and down. And this is what even astrology is predicting. So all you need to do is play the bearish game when the sell sign is on the daily candle. So how we played this game is we went to the 5 minutes chart. I did 5 minutes trading yesterday, many times, multiple times rather during a day. And you see during 5 minutes, whenever I saw the sell signal, I jumped on those trades. So I did a trade on here, I did a trade on here, I did a trade on here, and I did a trade on here. And this gives you the maximum gains. The reason is we know, look at it, the market is bearish. The moment Bitcoin hits 66K, it will go down. It will go down till 58 or 57 again. So when the daily is showing you bearish, your short-term trade should be bearish. When the daily is showing you bullish, then your short-term trade should also be bullish. This is the first thing you must know. And this is the KuCoin platform which we use. You can see all my trades here. How many times buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell order went there. You look at it, right? So KuCoin is the trading platform we use for our Bitcoins trading 5 minutes chart. And if you are in the United States, KuCoin works in Canada, but if you're in the United States, you can use BitBuy, Kraken, or Binance. There are many other platforms. But again, what I'm trying to teach you is using our indicators. I'm going to go back 5 minute chart. You see that, let's say you enter this trade here, sell. So this is daily. I'm going to use the 5 minute chart again to show you how I played it so that you can learn through the techniques and the strategy what I apply. So what you do is when you see this red sign here, get ready. Why we play the bullish? Because we know on the daily chart, the trends are bearish. Trends are bearish. So we will play the bearish game only. Okay, not the bullish, only the bearish game. Here you see we got ready, and here we enter the trade. Okay, when you see this line turning red, ready, steady, and this means go. Okay, and then you stay in the trade till either you hit its profit taking zone, which this line will be showing you, or you remain in the trade till you see this line coming close to the orange line. So if you enter here, this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle, and then you hit exit here. Okay. Even if you would have stayed till here, you would still have made a money profits. So this is what we do. Okay. I keep monitoring where this line is going. Similarly, I entered this trade. So this was get ready. Okay, get ready. And then boom, here we entered. Boom. This is the entry line. Boom, when it came. And then the moment it came out, I exit. So I entered here and I exit here. Okay. Similarly, if you're a very strong, prudent investor and you know my range is 58 to 65 till Bitcoins, you can play this line also. But I normally love and guide you and recommend you to play only one side till you are becoming a very, very good trader. Now here you see that. Get ready, boom, enter here, boom, enter here. And then it would have hit our target, the target given by the indicator, or I will continue till I see this line going upwards. I will hit exit here. Make money. So the money is on the offering, guys. You need to work hard. And we have made things very simple for you. You don't have to go into analysis by paralysis. You can play this game 5 minute chart or even 1 hour chart, but make sure you pick the right direction of your trades. Okay, right direction is only seen by daily charts. See, if the daily is saying bearish, and if I would have played this game, look at it in 1 hour chart, you get ready here, ready. This is boom, enter here, boom, and stay till you hit here, or if you are a very brave trader, or as per my astrology predictions, market are going down for the Bitcoins, you could have easily made gains till this line or this line. In case you want to be advanced trader, or you see this is, okay, ready, this is boom, enter in 1 hour chart, you exit here because the green came here, then you can re-enter because of red again appearing here. Then you can exit here, then you can re-enter here. So one sign here, but multiple sign here are again giving you multiple entry points. That if you missed out this particular line, you can re-enter when the red comes here because the overall indicator is still red. Okay, so understand this. If this indicator is red and there's no green indicator coming here, nothing coming here, you can exit at this point and re-enter at this point. Exit at this point, re-enter at this point. Exit at this point, re-enter at this point. You can do multiple trades within the same one loop of big trade happening here. This is how you trade. My dear friends, I'm doing my best and I'm working very hard to make it simple for you. Step number 1, start learning where the directions are on the daily chart. That should be in your mind, in your subconscious. Trends are bullish, period. If I play 5 minutes, if I play 1 hour, if I play 4 hours, I will only play the bullish game. If the trends are bearish on the daily candle, and as I've shown you, how you read that, where the trends are upwards or downwards, then in your shorter time frame, you only play that game. Unless you master the trading. Once you master the trading, then playing both sides will become very, very easy for you. And that is what the prudent traders does. They make money upward also, they make money downward also. But in their subconscious mind, they know where the daily trends are. Because if you are playing against the trend, the daily trend is bullish, but you're playing bearish game, you will see that you're hitting the stop loss is much, much higher, because the moment prices come down, people are buying it, jumping it. And similarly, when the trends are downwards and you're playing a bullish game in smaller time frame charts, you are inviting more risk. Okay, so this is my tip, this is my way of trading. Daily candles tells you where the directions are. Smaller candles tells you what you should be playing today. Okay. Hope you like this video. Provide me your feedback, love. And if you have any questions, any issues, any challenges, feel free to reach out. My whole support team, including me, is helping you, guiding you, and making sure that you become a very, very successful trader. Very soon, we will be launching some bots here also. We are working on that, automation bots. You configure the bots, and then bots are doing everything for you. We will take care of your risk management. They will take care of your positions, and you are just sleeping, and the bots are making money for you. We'll do that very soon. Astrologer Mohnish here once again. I shall see you in my next video very soon. Thank you for watching. God bless and stay safe and stay awakened.